Hey plumber, are you looking for work? Are you looking for a fresh start? I am looking for a true professional plumbing technician who can handle all phases of plumbing, sales, service, and repairs, including hydronic heating, combi boilers, tankless water heaters. Are you good with customers? We're looking to grow. If you're interested in top pay, benefits, and bonuses, and a good working atmosphere, check out the link below. I've been in business 27 years and up my game with the freshest tools, the freshest truck, and check out this truck that you will be getting if you come work for us today. All the freshest tools, drain cleaning. We're upping our game. Are you ready to up yours? A nice walk-in truck, all binned out, ready to go. Give us a call. Have a great night.